Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be making some chili for my family. It's a cold day outside, so I thought I'd make something that is hearty and warming. Let's get into the ingredients that I'll be using today. We've got some ground beef, some green peppers, carrots, celery, black beans, some red kidney beans. We've got some chopped onions, beef broth, some diced tomatoes. We've also got some chili powder, paprika, cumin, salt, black pepper, sugar, and some tomato paste. So I'm going to be starting off by browning my ground beef. We'll just pop it in the hot pot and start breaking it up. This should typically take around 5 to 10 minutes to brown. Now I'm using a rather large pot. This recipe will feed about 8 to 10 people. If you wanted to have a smaller amount, you could have the recipe. And as always, all the measurements will be in the description box below. Once the ground beef is almost browned, I'll be adding in the vegetables. I like to cook the vegetables before I drain, just so that it cooks in the fat and adds a little bit more flavor. If you don't like this step, you can drain the excess fat before you add in the vegetables. So I'll first start adding in my onions. Then I'll go in with my celery. And then green peppers. I'll add the carrots. And then I'll just give everything a good mix. And I'll let this cook down for about 5 minutes. Once the vegetables have cooked down a bit, I will drain the excess fat and then add in my garlic. Now I'll add in all of my seasonings, and that would be chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, black pepper, and the sugar. I'll give that a good mix. Next, I will add in the tomato paste. And then I will go in with our kidney beans and black beans. And then I will go in with 2 cans of the diced tomatoes. And lastly, add in the beef broth. Now I'm just going to bring this to a boil and then reduce the heat to low, and then I'll simmer this for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the chili's done, you'll just remove it from the heat and you're just going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like. Let me know what toppings you like to use by commenting below. And then of course, subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.